Minsan, tinanong ko yung co-teacher ko, bakit ka nag-abroad? Sabi niya, napagod ako. Pero hindi yung pagod na kayang tulugan, hindi rin yung kaya ng weekend off. Mas malalim, pagod sa sistema, pagod sa lugar, pagod sa sarili niyang version na laging nauubos. Minsan ang tanong, kailangan ko lang ba ng pahinga? O kailangan ko na bang magsimula ulit sa ibang lugar? Hindi lahat ng pagod ay burnout. Minsan linaw, minsan katotohanan. This is day 3. This is Project 30.
Okay, let's go.
It's day 4 of our where's the 4?
It's day 4 of our Project 30 and it's weekend here in Saudi Arabia. And here are the reasons why I chose Saudi Arabia. First, a tax-free salary, free transportation to and from school, free accommodation, paid bills by your company, and on top of your tax-free salary, you'll also have your monthly food allowance.
But more than the benefits, the workload here is different. Nagturo ako sa Pilipinas for 9 years at dito, ang requirements lang usually ay daily lesson log, PowerPoint, tapos na. May structure at system, less admin work, more focus on teaching. Hindi ito para sa lahat, pero para sa iba, baka ito na yung sign nyo. Kung teacher ka sa Pinas at gusto mong subukan, try mo lang. Malay mo, ito na yung simula ng bago mong kwento. We all have different preferences in life. At the end of the day, tayong lahat ang may hawak ng direksyon ng buhay natin. This is day 4. This is Project 30. What if the distance you worried about turned out to be the space you needed? 3 years of living in Saudi Arabia taught me that travel changes more than your scenery. It changes you. You become more patient, more observant. You stop needing noise just to feel okay. You learn that growth doesn't always feel exciting. Sometimes it just feels quiet. This is day 5. This is Project 30.